it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation.
Let's go on the other side. Wow. Nice.
I don't know what you're telling me, but
I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
The yellow one is cow cheese. Come on, it's for you.
Oh, don't worry.
thank you. She angry, grumpy face. Strong. Hey, how much it zooms in when you record.
Bought a sausage. This is a panic sausage. Video of you. Show me the sausage. so we remember where we are. Turkheim. Okay, shall we? I know, it's beautiful. Alright, I think we...
Colmar, it did look a lot like Turkheim. It had its gates, it had its...
Sorry, let's go around here.
Thank you very much.
You know which one? Because I'm sick, so you have to take the first. Yeah. Would you like to
There they use the cherry juice inside. So if you don't think that you want to stay healthy during the winter time, you can take the one with. If you take a look to the forests around us, you can see that some parts of the... But in this region we also follow a lot of old traditions, even today. We follow them during the cold...
We're in Germany right now, but as we cross this bridge, we go into France. And then when we cross another river,